Kanoodle 3D Brain Teaser Puzzle by Educational Insights is a captivating puzzle game that has garnered widespread acclaim, selling over 7 million units worldwide. This puzzle game is designed for ages 7 and up, making it suitable for kids, teens, and adults alike. It has become a viral sensation on platforms like TikTok, where its addictive and challenging nature has attracted a broad audience. The game includes 12 colorful puzzle pieces and offers 200 puzzles in both 2D and 3D formats, ranging from beginner to highly difficult levels. This variety ensures it remains engaging for users of all skill levels, providing both entertainment and mental exercise. The game's compact size, measuring approximately 5.75 by 3.25 by 0.75 inches and weighing just over 3 ounces, makes it highly portable. It comes with a durable carrying case and a 48-page illustrated puzzle book that guides players through the challenges. This portability is a significant advantage, allowing players to enjoy the game at home, during travel, or in waiting rooms. Many users appreciate this feature, noting that it is easy to bring along and provides a screen-free activity that is both fun and educational. Players have praised Kanoodle for its ability to improve problem-solving skills and spatial reasoning. The puzzles require logical thinking and creativity to fit the pieces together correctly, which can be both soothing and stimulating. The colorful tiles and sturdy tray add to the tactile enjoyment of the game, and the materials have proven durable even with frequent use. This durability is important for families and individuals who want a long-lasting brain teaser. The included puzzle book caters to a wide range of abilities, featuring puzzles that vary from very simple, involving just one piece, to extremely challenging configurations that test even experienced puzzlers. This range makes Kanoodle suitable for beginners as well as puzzle enthusiasts looking for a serious challenge. Additionally, there are online solver resources and communities that provide extra puzzles and solutions, extending the game's replay value. Users have reported that playing Kanoodle together can be a bonding experience for families. Parents and children enjoy working on puzzles collaboratively, and the competitive element of seeing who can finish first adds to the fun. The game also supports solo play, making it versatile for different social settings and moods. Despite its many strengths, some users have noted a drawback with the carrying case. The case can be difficult to close and does not always stay securely shut, sometimes popping open unexpectedly. This issue can be frustrating, especially when traveling, and a redesign of the case closure would improve the overall experience. However, this is a minor complaint compared to the overall positive feedback. Kanoodle's design is visually appealing, with bright, attractive colors and interesting shapes that make the game inviting. The pieces are easy to handle and move smoothly within the tray. The game's design supports fine motor skills development in younger players while providing a satisfying challenge for older users. Many reviewers highlight the game's educational value, noting that it helps children develop cognitive skills without feeling like a traditional learning exercise. It is often recommended as a screen-free alternative that encourages focus and patience. The game's ability to engage users for extended periods is frequently mentioned, making it an excellent choice for parents seeking constructive activities for their children. Overall, Kanoodle 3D Brain Teaser Puzzle stands out as a thoughtfully designed, enjoyable, and mentally stimulating game. Its broad appeal across age groups, combined with its portability and durability, makes it a worthy addition to any puzzle enthusiast's collection. Whether used for solo brain training, family fun, or travel entertainment, Kanoodle delivers a rewarding experience. Potential buyers should be aware of the case closure issue, but can expect hours of challenging and satisfying play. If you have this game, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase Kanoodle is in the description, and supporting the channel through this link is appreciated. Kanoodle remains a top choice for those looking to sharpen their minds with a fun, engaging puzzle that stands the test of time.